Introducing Artillian's latest innovation, the Iron Fist Grapple. This new modular grapple system features patent-pending variable grip technology, enabling the grapple to grasp payloads with a tight, fist-like function. Iron Fist grapples are designed for durability using high-strength 3/8 AR-400 steel. The grapples harness over 5,000 pounds of hydraulic cylinder force, fully open to 51 inches and less than 6 inches when fully closed. The Iron Fist is designed to manage weight, maximizing your lift capacity. Each grapple unit weighs 120 pounds, the rake or lower section only 45. The modular design allows you to mix and match grapple and rake sections on your Artillian fork frame to best suit your needs. All of our grapples are proudly made in the USA at our Massachusetts-based state-of-the-art facility. Artillian offers a selection of hydraulic diverter kits, hydraulic splitters, optional grapple fangs, and debris guards, in addition to many other fine accessories. Visit us to see more at artillian.com.